Hey guys, G here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to load up your EasyLink card in Singapore. So let's find the machine first to load up our cards. And if you're just arriving just before the MRT entrance, go left. It's just right behind the escalator. So here, this machine is actually available, but it's only for cards. The machine 4 is the only one that accepts cash. Let's just show you how easy it is to load up your EasyLink card, where my niece do it herself. And it's good to go. So now let's have my other niece show you how to load up your EasyLink card. Place your EasyLink card over here and then select cash and then put your dollars, Singapore dollars. You can just confirm it detected that you have put $5 in it. And you can just get your card. But if for those who wants a receipt, you can do this. Again, select your card, put your cash, select confirm, and over here you can just click receipt to print the receipt, and then you can collect your card. And that's how easy it is to load up your EasyLink card in Singapore. You can put $2, $5, $10 in this machine to load up your EasyLink card. I hope this video was helpful for you and at least be familiar with the Singapore MRT and loading up your EasyLink card so that we can use the Singapore transportation system from buses to train. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video all about Singapore. Bye!